Good morning and Jai Hind to everyone. Myself, Miraj Alam Khan. I'm here to teach you chemistry for 10th class. Okay, so in your science subject, there are 5 chapters of chemistry. Okay, first chapter is chemical reaction and equation. Second chapter is acids, bases, and salts. Third chapter is metal and non-metals. Fourth chapter is carbon and its compounds. Fifth chapter is periodic classification of the elements. So we will start with first chapter, that is chemical reaction and equation. That is very basic part of the chemistry, that what are the chemical reaction. In previous classes also you have studied about the physical and chemical changes. Okay, what are the physical and chemical changes? Physical changes are reversible, chemical changes are irreversible. So we have to go through that what are the chemical reaction, and then we will go through the chemical equations also. So it is very important to understand that physical changes are reversible and chemical changes are irreversible. With example, in our daily life we can observe that it is written that situation of daily life, we can think what happens. First one is milk is left at room temperature during summers. What happens with milk in summers at room temperature? That it will get burst और milk curdling occurs. ओके जिसे हम नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं, दूध का ख़राब हो जाना या दूध का फट जाना. सो इट इज़ irreversible process. Irreversible process means it can't be converted into its previous form. Another example is given here, that an iron or pan is exposed to humid atmosphere. Humid atmosphere means there will be air and water, and both can cause the corrosion of the iron objects. Corrosion means जंग लगना, यानी कि वो चीज़ खराब होने लगती है. Third is grapes get fermented, food is cooked, food get digested in our body, and we respire. All these examples for chemical changes or chemical reaction. Means what is the conclusion of these example? That chemical changes have a change which is irreversible. दोबारा हम उसको पहले वाली फॉर्म में नहीं ला सकते. That is called chemical reaction. So we have to write another definition also. Okay, I am writing here. Please you can write in your copy also, that R gives product. This arrow is called gives in equation. Okay, जब हम chemical equation लिखेंगे then it will be called as gives. So R is reactant, it is gives, and it is product. So reactant will converted into product, means their properties will be different. Reactant have some different properties and product should have different properties. That is called chemical reaction. Another point of the chemical reaction, we have to write that in reactants there will be old bond that will be broken. Okay, that will get broken in reaction, and in product new bond will form. So in reactant old bond will get broken, and in product new bond will form. So that broken of bond and formation of new bond both will causes the different properties in the reactant and product. Okay, so you have to write this definition also and these examples. Okay, so this activity, that activity 1.1, that is important. Okay, so all of you have to go through all activities also in 10th class, especially chemistry activity is very important. Okay, direct questions activities से भी आ जाते हैं chemistry में. So activities are very important, so we have to observe these activities. What is written here? So we will go through that. What is this activity? Activity needs the teacher assistance. Always you have to go with teacher or any assistant. Okay, lab assistant also will be there, then only you will use anything. in lab, because chemical can be harmful, and if you don't have knowledge about that chemical, then it will be very dangerous for you. Okay, so you have to use eyeglasses in this activity. What is this activity? You can observe here that there is flame also, and magnesium ribbon. Magnesium ribbon is getting burned in presence of air or oxygen. Sorry, wait. Okay, this is tongue which have magnesium ribbon. Okay, and this is another hand where burner is there, burner or spirit lamp also we can use, and this is watch glass. Okay, and these are the powder or ash. So what is going on, that magnesium combined with oxygen will give magnesium oxide. What is Mg? Mg is magnesium and O is oxygen. So Mg plus O2 gives MgO. Okay, that powder is magnesium oxide, that is called ash. It is written here that burning of a magnesium in air and collection of magnesium oxide in watch glass. Okay, that is activity. So we have to read it also. Clean a magnesium ribbon, this point, and next point is clean a magnesium ribbon about 3 to 4 centimeter long by rubbing it with sandpaper. Sandpaper मे भी आप जानते हैं सैंड पेपर क्या होता है, इट इज़ रफ सरफेस पेपर जिसे हम किसी मेटल पे रब करते हैं. रीज़न क्या है इसके लिए, इसका रब करने का मतलब है कि किसी भी मेटल सरफेस को हम क्लीन करते हैं, क्योंकि किसी भी मेटल की आउटर मोस्ट सरफेस जो होती है वो एटमॉस्फेयर से या मॉइस्चर से रिएक्ट करके इम्प्योर हो जाती है, इम्प्योर फॉर्म में होती है. तो उसे किसी सैंड पेपर से रब करने से उसके आउटर मोस्ट लेयर निकल जाती है और वो मेटल प्योर फॉर्म में आ जाता है. ओके, क्योंकि इनर लेयर्स मॉइस्चर या आउटर सरफेस मतलब एटमॉस्फेयर के कांटेक्ट में नहीं होती, जिसकी वजह से इनर लेयर्स सेफ रहती हैं और आउटर मोस्ट लेयर किसी भी मेटल की कोरोड हो सकती है या फिर इम्प्योर हो सकती है. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज होल्ड इट विद अ पेयर ऑफ टोंग्स. टोंग्स मतलब होता है चिमटा, जिससे हम उस मेटल की रिबन को होल्ड करके रखते हैं. Burn it using a spirit lamp or burner and collect the ash so formed in a watch glass. यानी कि वो जलने के बाद यानी बर्निंग के बाद वो मेटल ऑक्साइड फॉर्म करता है जो कि ऐश के फॉर्म में, उसे हम कलेक्ट करते हैं इन वॉच ग्लास. दैट यू हैड ऑलरेडी ऑब्जर्व्ड इन दैट डायग्राम. तो बर्न द मैग्नीशियम रिबन कीपिंग इट अवे एज फार एज पॉसिबल फ्रॉम योर आइज. देखिए आँख से दूर रख के उसे जलाना है ताकि कोई भी स्पार्क हो या उसमें फ्लेम भी निकलेगी तो वो कोई भी चीज़ आपके आइज़ पे अगर आ गई तो वो आपके लिए डेंजरस हो सकता है. ओके, सो इट इज़ रिटन दैट you must have observed that in this line you have to observe, you must have observed that magnesium ribbon with dazzling flame and changes into a white powder that is called magnesium oxide. Okay, so we have written already that Mg plus O2 gives MgO, that is a magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. So these two are reactant and this one is product. Okay, so it is magnesium ribbon, it is solid metal, oxygen is gaseous form, and MgO is in powdered means solid form. Okay, so this was the activity first, 1.1. Okay, so all of you have to try to learn these things, activity also, equation also. Okay, definition of chemical reaction and the example of chemical reactions. Okay, we will continue this topic in next lecture. So all of you have to write it in your copy notebook And if you have any confusion, any doubt, then you can ask me. Okay, I will reply you in WhatsApp group messages or in next lecture also. Okay, thank you.